In this video, guys, we'll go over how to get rid of smoke smell in your Airbnb. So if you've had guests who, have smoked or accidentally burned food, that lingering smoke smell can be tough to eliminate. But don't worry, here are some 5 easy steps to help you get rid of that smoke smell in your rental and keep it smelling clean for your next guests. Step 1 is to improve the airflow. First, open up all the windows and doors to let out, the smoke and let fresh air in. Use fans, vents, or even an air purifier to push out the smoky air. So if your Airbnb has a HVAC system, replace the air filters regularly to trap smoke particles and keep the air fresh. Step 2 would be to, scrub the walls and ceilings so smoke particles, they stick to walls and ceilings. And this leaves behind a greasy residue. So you want to use a degreaser or a mixture of, 1 cup bleach plus 1 gallon of water, right? You can do a cup of ammonia plus 1 gallon of water. Okay, never mix ammonia with bleach, ever. Never do that. That will create toxic fumes. Okay, and can also do is use 3 to 4 tablespoons of trisodium phosphate plus 1 gallon of warm water. So you want to wipe the surfaces thoroughly, rinse with clean water, and dry to remove any lingering odor. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and deodorize the carpets and furnitures. Okay, because carpets and furniture actually can trap smoke smells for weeks. So you want to sprinkle baking soda over them, let it sit for a few hours or overnight, then vacuum it up. Okay, the simple trick helps neutralize odors without needing professional cleaning. And another thing what you can do is you can go ahead and clean the windows and blinds because smoke actually leaves a visible film on windows and blinds. So you want to mix 1 part vinegar with 10 parts distilled water, spray it on, and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Okay? You don't want to go ahead and scratch your windows, right? Adjust the vinegar concentration based on how much residue has been built up. And lastly, of course, you need to go ahead and wash the curtains and other fabrics. Fabric absorbs smoke. So wash curtains, cushion covers, and bedding with the vinegar or baking soda. Soak, just mix 1 cup of vinegar or baking soda with warm water. Soak it for about 1 to 2 hours, then wash as usual. And always do small patch test before soaking delicate fabrics, okay? And if you follow these 5 steps, you can get rid of that smoke smell and keep your Airbnb fresh for every guest.